Hello everyone, this is Enea here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this triangle pattern in Inkscape. This pattern is made of an equilateral triangle that is duplicated and rotated. In order to create this pattern, we are first going to create the tile that repeats itself throughout the pattern. In this pattern, the tile is going to look like this. The key to identifying a tile in a pattern is that it must start at the top, where it ends at the bottom, and it must start on the left, where it ends on the right. So this is what we're going to seek to create. Alright, so to get started, we go to File, New, and we create a new composition. We're going to set the orientation to landscape. So we go to File, Document Properties, and we set it to landscape. And then we're going to add some center guides. So we go to Extensions, Document, Guides Creator. We set the value for rows and columns to 2 and we click on Apply. So now we have our guides created and we can start drawing the pattern. So in order to create it, we go ahead and we take the Start Polygon tool. We set it to Polygon and we set the number of corners to 3 to make it a triangle. And then while holding Ctrl and Shift, we go ahead and we create a triangle. We're going to set its stroke to none and its fill to blue. And then with the selector tool, we're going to center it along the vertical axis and not very far from the center of the composition. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate it. So we click on it and we position the center in the middle of the composition, the rotation center. And then we go to the Transform tab. We go to Rotate. We click on Ctrl D to duplicate. We set the angle to 60 degrees and we click on Apply. Then we're going to repeat the process. So we press on Ctrl D again and we click on Apply. And we repeat it until we have 6 triangles. So this is our first set of 6 triangles. We select them all and we press on Ctrl G to group them together. And we press on Ctrl D to duplicate. And then we move the duplicated group and we position it in a way so that the triangles here and here overlap. And then we press on Ctrl D to duplicate it again. And we position it on the other side so that the triangles here and here overlap. So now we have all the triangles that we need, so we're going to delineate the tile. The tile is going to be located from this point here to this point here. So in order to delineate it, we take the rectangle tool and we create a rectangle. We take the selector tool, we go to the fill and stroke panel, and we diminish its opacity so that we can see through it. And we're going to position it. So it must start from here, from the middle of the triangle here, from its top extremity. And then we're going to expand it. So it must finish at the middle of this triangle here. And here at the top extremity of these triangles here. So this is going to be our tile. And then we set its fill to none. And then we're going to clip the triangles so that we have only what's within the rectangle. So we go ahead and we select everything. And we go to Object, Clip, Set Clip. So this clips the triangle to only what's within the rectangle. So this is going to be our tile that we are going to use to do a pattern fill. So in order to use it to do a pattern fill, we go to Object, Pattern, Objects to Pattern. So now the pattern is copied into the clipboard and we can use it to do a pattern fill. And then we take the rectangle tool And we go ahead and we draw a rectangle all over the composition. Here on the Fill and Stroke panel, we select Pattern, and this creates a pattern fill. And then we can adjust the size of the pattern. So in order to do that, we take the Node tool, we select the bottom right corner, and then we scale it down while holding Ctrl to preserve the proportions. And then if we want, we can export the tile to use it to do a pattern fill in another program. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a triangle pattern in Inkscape. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!